I'm doing my how-to video on how to use a battery-operated variable speed drill, one of the many ones we use in the shop. I'm going to drill a screw into two pieces of wood. It's very simple. Start out, one, have eye protection and make sure everything around you is not in your way. There's no cords in the way. Everything safe. Make sure you have a good light source. I have a good light source. And you are able to see everything that you are doing. A drill is pretty simple in the case that of safety wise. I mean, you just got your drill. It's not with any cords, but so we're good with that one. And yeah, like I said, I do have my eye protection on. And you got your screw, and that's all you need. Screw, wood, and a drill. And depending on the drill you're using in the bit, I have a square bit, as you can see, and that matches the end of the screw. So make sure that fits. Sometimes you will have a star bit, and also you need to make sure like the size of the bit it fits the size of the screw. If that is not right, then it will be you'll have a little challenge trying to get your screw into your pieces of wood. So yeah, you got your screw, hook it on there just like that. Push it in so it's nice and secure. And then in this case, I'm putting both of my hands down on the pieces of wood to make sure that they're solid. And when you're drilling, make sure that you're not, I guess at times you might need to go in at an angle, other times you might need to go straight up. In this case, I'm just going straight up and straight down. And make sure everything is out of your way before you start, and there you go. Start off kind of slow, and also like I just did there, make sure that it is going the right way. There's two different ways you can go. There's one way you can go, it's to screw it in, and then there's also, you can switch it right here, like that. That is to make sure it's going in into the board, and that way is make sure it's pulled out of the board. I'm going into the board, so I'm switching it that way. Make sure it's going the right way. Alright, put it right where my spot is, push down, and start off a little bit slow, and then once it gets into the wood, you can go a little bit faster. Make sure I don't get into the piece that's under my wood. And there you go. And the screw is meant to come out the other end just because of the sides of the boards, but as you can see, now they're together and they don't come apart because that screw is all the way through. Alright, see, like that. And if you have to in your project, you just put some putty over that to make sure it's nice and smooth. And there you go. Now on the other hand, like I was pointing out earlier, there's the way you can start out just like that, and then if you have to pull it out, you go to this side and you push back. Alright, that works like that. So now I'm on the way to come back, so I'm going to pull the screw back out. And again, since I just have to put my bit right in where the screw is, make sure it's all good, nothing's around me, everything's still safe, and put a little pressure down on it, and start out slow, and then come out fast, put a little pressure on it, and there you pull your screw out. And that's the how to put a screw in and a screw out of two pieces of wood using a battery operated variable speed drill. Thank you for watching.